In this video, I'm going to show you how to get and use the trowel in Grow a Garden in Roblox. Now, this has just recently been added with a new update. I'm holding it in my hand right now, as you can see, and it looks like that. So, what you actually want to do to actually get it, first you want to walk up to the other side of the map over here. So, not to the sell and the seeds shop, but to this quest giver and to the gear shop over here. So, walk up to the gear shop. And inside the gear shop, there we go. You want to just talk to the alloys over here. And up top, just below this, basically the watering can, which we of course know from the previous updates as well, you can see you have the trowel. Now, let's just buy one of these for now. There we go. And as you can see what it does, it moves plants and it has 5 uses. Now, we've been missing this in the game ever since the beginning because, of course, until now, you were only able to actually destroy a plant that you had planted. So you basically wouldn't get the seed back. But right now, when they added this trowel, you can now essentially just move plants around without having to destroy them and get the rare seeds again. So let me show you how this works. Now, you want to put it in your hand, and then you basically want to select a plant you would like to move. So for this instance, I'm just going to move one of my strawberries over here. You just want to click on that little plant. So for example, on this strawberry, I'm going to click on it, and as you can see, you now have picked it up. Okay, just like that, I have picked it up, and then you can place it somewhere else. So let me just go over here. Let's say I want to place it right over here. You click down, and there we go. Your strawberry has now been placed to the place you basically clicked. And of course, if you want to move it again, you can then move that again, and you want to do it as many times as you possibly want. You can even click cancel over here on the right if you actually want to cancel the move. So it's basically quite simple. Simply click once, find a new spot, click for the second time, and bam, there you go. You've successfully moved your plant. Very useful for organizing your garden. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.